Jordan, Juliet Yankee 4, Charlie India clear, QRZ.
Echo America 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP, QRP.
What is the Gulf Zero Uniform November? Is that the Gulf Zero Uniform November is Juliet, is that the Roger? KSL 59 in Manchester, 5 and 3, 53, Roger. Bye-bye, QRZ, JY4CI, Italy.
Echo America 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP, QRP.
What is the QRP?
Yes, Echo America 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP.
QRP, Yankee Juliet, QRP again?
Yes, Echo America 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP.
No, I only have Yankee Juliet QRP. You are Echo Alpha something. Give me the code sign again.
Yes, Echo America 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP, QSL?
Okay, QSL. Echo Alpha 2, Echo Yankee Juliet QRP. Is it correct?
Yes, 100%, it's correct, 100%. 55, 57 here, QSL?
5 by 2, Roger.
Okay, Roger, thank you for the 5x2. I'm transmitting with 2 watts. 2 watts with a walkie-talkie radio, QSL?
What was that again?
2 watts, only 2 watts and a walkie-talkie radio, QSL?
1 watt, 1 single watt, 1 watt only?
2 watts and walkie-talkie radio, QSL?
2 watts. What is that antenna? What is that antenna?
It's a telescopic homemade antenna for the walkie-talkie, QSL?
Okay, you're doing fantastic job. Fantastic, really good. 2 watts with the homemade antenna. Great. Echo Alpha 2, Echo Juliet, Echo Yankee Juliet, QRP with 2 watts. Japan Yankee 4, Charlie India, 73.
Okay, 73, thank you very much, good weekend, thank you, bye-bye.